Yo guys, what's going on? Back with another video today. Got a pretty interesting one to be honest with you. We've got West Ham versus Brighton. Now you're probably wondering, what do you mean pretty excited about it? Well, because Brighton could be good, draw for the champions, remember? And it nearly drew for Southampton. Not a good team, Brighton. Southampton. And West Ham could be good too, getting that last minute win against Sheffield United at Brighton draw, which is good for West Ham. And then there's a good team, West Ham. They were 1-0 up against Man United. They deserve to beat Arsenal. So it'll be an interesting game. What do you think scores will be, Cooper? Whatever I said in the Premier League predictions video. So go check that out. Go check. Bless me. Yeah, so what I was in the Premier League, I might say 2-1 to Brighton or West Ham or whatever was in the Premier League. Yeah, game week 16, 15, I don't know. Go check the latest Premier League video and then you'll see what my prediction was for West Ham, Brighton and all the young ones, of course. Right, let's get on. So with this game, so oh god, chance it, Welbeck's through, Welbeck. Ooh, jeez. What a chance that was for Brighton Hove Albion. The Seagulls nearly got ahead then. Oh, I love this. I love to watch this. Love to watch Welbeck being really fast. The ex-Arsenal player and the ex-Watford player. Who else did he play for? I don't know. Should have scored that really. Should have just made a dribble pass. Goalkeeper and banged it in the net. 2 more games coming off this direction. Don't miss them. Liverpool, West Brom and Tottenham Wolves. Don't miss all them. Stay tuned for my videos. Plush video coming soon today. Maybe not Monday. Tuesday, I think about. Maybe Wednesday. I don't know, but there'll be a plush video coming really soon. Roblox wins next Roblox video. Probably next Saturday, next Sunday. It'll be soon enough. It won't be. It might be next year, but it won't be the early next year. It'll be like 1st of January or something like that. I don't know. I'll think about it. Right, finally to Brighton. The Seagulls. Brighton are passing here. Passing around. Or Brighton are passing around here. I should be wearing my Christmas hat even though it's past Christmas. I know it's past Christmas, but you know, I don't think I've worn this in a video. I might have once, but I don't know. Right. Get a face. Brighton all over West Ham now, actually. They're getting more of the ball, getting more attacks, all that. Right, Brighton have a chance. Welbeck, Mapai. Good, strong defending there, guys. Corner to Brighton. If you guys want me to do a Everton and Man City reaction, I probably will do Crystal Palace and Chelsea, Aston Villa. But if you want me to do a Everton Man City, then subscribe. It's coming on. It might be coming on Monday. The Chelsea and Man City, Everton, you know what I mean. That's a Chelsea. I know it's going to take the corner here, but it's going to be either, I think it's Webster, I don't know. But Chelsea and Brighton, good clearance, but Pie still got up there, still got a chance. With Pie, Brighton attack now. Oh? What's that? He was like, Did somebody call Cooper? Oh, I don't like it. Brighton manager, you better get your hopes up. Actually, this performance by Brighton, they're playing really good. Led Brighton to 15th in Premier League last season. Ah ha ha. That's not funny. Yeah, West Ham take the throne. I was supposed to be laughing. I don't know why I said that. But alright, gonna head there for March, I think. Ryan, no, Sanchez. I think I missed up with Ryan. Ryan's still the goalkeeper, but Sanchez is 2. He's to like. Oh, just little. Go close there. Let's have on the ball now. Running down the wing. Oh, not really. Take Rice now for him to Brighton. It's just me. Does it look like Brighton are not even wearing white? They are. Unlike here, they do have a few white stripes. I think they do. Yeah, I think they do. Who are you going to call keeper? Okay, the card in the Seagulls good. I'm going to guess Brighton had the ball. I mean, that's pretty simple. Right, who has the ball? Sanchez. It did, but it doesn't now. Because I got kicked now, right? You know, boots. Yeah. It's not Christmas. I might put it on for Liverpool West Brom, or maybe Wolves Tottenham. Probably wondering why then. I don't know. I tried to say Mapai, and he's not going to kick that. Oh, he is. Oh, God, he did. No, it's because it was going fast. Like, I thought it was going to go off, but it didn't. Good defending there from West Ham. Throwing to Brighton. Throwing to Seagulls. March figures picks it. I like that. Oh, the pie. It's a corner to the Seagulls. Oh, no, it's not. I was right the first time. Not really. I was right. Oh, what referee? What is it? What? Who did what? Or what did who? What makes sense? Or who did what? How did something now? Oh. I don't know. Record versus Brighton. Played 6, 1-0, did I say? Alright, jeez. Jeez, David Moyes. Chill out. I think that's the name of I'll try to settle that. Too far, go kick out Fabianski. I think about David Moyes. Yeah, I don't know actually. What am I doing? Why am I shoving my phone? Thing. Yeah, David Moyes. Got it right, I told you. Scotland? What's Scotland? I thought you were Scotland. I thought it was something like. I don't know. Nah, I guess it's kind of Scotland, but I didn't think it was Scotland. First from someone else. Someone else. Doesn't, well, he probably does more, but you know what I mean. Right. If you don't, then. No ball passed it in. Oh, sweet defending from Brighton. What a clearance. That was Adam Lallana, the main man himself. I'm being wrong the same, so. Alright, it's a bit funny though. Kind of. Yeah. Guess the shirt. Arsenal! Yeah, it was an Arsenal shirt, I'm kidding. Guess the shorts. Arsenal! I know this Arsenal. Bleh. Where's the badge? What's here? Arsenal! Try to see if you guys can see it. I tried to headed. Go for shots! Bad shot. Too bad I couldn't score from there. Declan Rice cannot score from that angle or that, angle. Yeah. Again. But I did deflect, it was not a corner, but I don't know why he went for a shot there. Kind of bad shot. Set piece goals, most this season, and penalties. But West Ham got 8. I know including penalties, but I don't think we've penalties. But let's see if I can get 9 set piece goals. So knocks it in now. What a cross was that? He did too near Bissouma. They said Bissouma. Yeah, I think it's Bissouma. But he too close. He kind of chipped it a bit. And then Bissouma, I swear he knew his own. Headed away. Alright. I think it's Bowen who knocks in. I think it's chance there. Oh yeah, good clearance there. But it's still a chance here. Clearance. Pie's through. Oh, let's get away with Pie. Oh no, good block there from it. I'm seeing one go. One go. Dunk. The block. Cooper has been 10 minutes. Oh, wait, it has. I don't know what I did to myself. I'm towards the chance though. Guys, yeah. Fix March, I don't know. Running. What run? What run this is? Look at this! It's March. March ran it in. Throwing to. Ran it in, you know what I mean? Ran it. Like. And of course, she threw to Bryson because they're really near the half, so which is chance for seagulls no land here. March was born in March, and also his friend March was born in March too. But there, March. Basuma or Wellback were. They look the same because of their hairstyle. It's kind of like I can't explain it. I can't really explain it, actually. It's a lot of people have that kind of hair, isn't there? Come look it forward. What? Can you look it forward? Do you want to win this game, or do you just want to waste time by passing? Do you just want to draw 0-0? Nah. Right, guys, I'll go to the so guys later for see you guys later for Leicester, Liverpool, the West Brom, and all the stuff. So see you guys. Bye, guys.